Welcome back everybody to another video. Today we're here with this 2014 Nissan Juke. We're doing rear brakes. I'm going to take you through step by step, save you some money. Like, share, subscribe, and let's get into it. Step 1. Lift the car off the ground and take your rear wheels off. Lug nuts are 21 millimeter. I got power stop rotors and ceramic brake pads. The rotors are JBR 1102 SCR. The brake pads are 17-905. Grab a flathead screwdriver or pry bar. You're going to put it in here, compress the piston. You got two caliper bolts on this side, 14 millimeter, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Just go ahead and pull these off. Remove the caliper, just set it on top. It shouldn't go anywhere. Then these pads, these ones were stuck in here because of all this nasty rust and crap. So I had to use a flathead, but just pull these out, throw them in the trash. Use a flathead, pop these little metal clips out. We need to remove the caliper bracket. We have a 17 millimeter up here, 17 millimeter down here. Remove that and then this whole bracket will come off. If you have any kind of rust, you're going to need a big hammer. We're going to smash it here at the same time we're rotating. Rotating this, smack it, rotate it, smack it to break it loose. It's going to have rust seizing in the middle and a little bit around the studs. Once you get the rotor out of the box, get some brake cleaner, and you're going to spray down the back side and the front side because they put like a oil film on this so they don't rust. Grab the little rubber stopper out of the rotor that you took out and put it in the new hole on this rotor. Grab a drill with a wire wheel. You're going to clean this up as best you can. You need these grooves clean here because that's where you need the brake pad to slide in and out of. So if this is all gunked up, it's going to screw your brakes up. And you don't want to put new ones again in 2 months. So clean this up, make it nice and shiny in the grooves at bare minimum. Get some high temp grease, jam it in these holes, jam it in these holes, jam it in these holes. Act like this is your high school sweetheart and jam this grease in this caliper bracket right now. Bolt this bracket back in with the 17 millimeter bolts. Grab the clips that fit. So on this vehicle it's the smaller one where it has a smaller gap here. The brake pads came with a small gap and a large gap. So you always want the small gap. grab that, chuck them on. You're going to push down here on both sides. And there's little fingers that go over down in that hole. So you want to make sure it's totally flush and there's no gap. And then you know it's good. Clean off these pins with some brake cleaner and a rag. And then take a wire wheel to the threads if you have rust like these. You're going to put the pad with the wear indicator, which is this thingy here, on the back. It has nothing here in the middle. The outside one has this little notch here, so that's how you tell what goes where. At this point we can put the caliper back on the bracket, put the bolts through, tighten them down. Once everything's tightened down, grab the brake cleaner, just spray off any mess that you transferred from your hands to the brakes. Make sure you have a drain pan to catch all this crap. Now we can put on the wheel and move on to the other side.